we are going to talk about implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation is a method that can be used to find dy dx, which is our derivative, in terms of x and y. Now, as its name implies, implicit differentiation is used to find derivatives of functions that are not explicitly defined in terms of x. Instead, they are implicitly defined as an equation of x and y. Now, in order to use implicit differentiation, you must know the chain rule. And the reason that you must know the chain rule is because since y is implicitly defined, you must multiply the derivatives of terms containing a y by dy dx, which is the derivative of y with respect to x. So now, for example, if we were going to differentiate y cubed with respect to x, if we were doing an implicit differentiation problem, this would differentiate to 3y squared times dy dx, simply because 3y squared is using the power rule to take the derivative, and then we multiply by the dy dx because if this were inside an equation, which it is not in this case, this was just a quick example, y would be an implicitly defined function in terms of x. Now, one application of implicit differentiation is related rates, which are often taught in calculus. Related rates are used to find the rate of change of something of a given variable, like the rate of change of a volume or a radius of an area, things of that nature. And so, in general, implicit differentiation is significant because it allows us to obtain an expression for dy dx in terms of x and y for an implicitly defined function.